Hello everybody, this is Moses from Outdoor Gardens. I'm gonna do an update on my fig tree that I pruned really hard. I'll put up a link of that video in this video now so you can watch that video. But I'm gonna show you, there's a lot of people, there wasn't too many, but there was some people that on other social media platforms are like, why did you prune it so hard? It's never gonna grow back from that. I don't know why they would think that, but maybe they've had a bad experience. But this is show proof that, I don't know how long ago that video was that I did it, but not that long ago. Look at all the new growth. Look at this beautiful thing right here. Brand new leaves. Isn't that amazing? I have to do this, unfortunately, to get it to focus. Isn't that beautiful? Just love it. Look at that. So just prune to your liking, you know. To me, I like it when fruit trees, my daughter's here, she's trying to put the water on. Just prune the trees to your liking. Okay, mine, I like it head height, and I'm gonna be very vigorous or on top of it next year. So like this pluot, dapple dandy pluot that I have to prune today or tomorrow, see how tall it goes? It's never gonna be like that ever again. It's always gonna be right here, forever. I'm not gonna allow it to grow. Yeah, I'm just seeing if there's anything else. Here's some more growth. But yeah, you just let it grow and just relax. And now this is gonna be bent. I'm gonna select some of these, bend it that way, and create like a gazebo almost of fig. That way I don't have to climb any branches, sort of like the one in the front. I'll link up a video for that one too. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.